How to enable speak keyboard input on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on general management. So you will see general management is here, so click on general management. Now here, so scroll down and click on Samsung keyboard settings. So after click on Samsung keyboard settings, so scroll down and click on swipe, touch and feedback. So after click on swipe, touch and feedback, so click on speak keyboard input allowed. So after click on speak keyboard input allowed. So if you want to enable speak keyboard input, so if you want to set words, so click on words. So if you want to set characters, so click on characters. So if you want to set character and words, so click on character and words. So after selecting, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can enable speak keyboard input on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.